Managing data across multiple systems can feel like an uphill battle. Disconnected workflows, manual processes, and human errors can slow your operations and impact your bottom line. That's where the x2x RMH-BC integration solution comes in, a powerful connector that bridges the gap between Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and RMH, Retail Management Hero. It's designed to optimize your retail and back-office operations, enabling a seamless flow of information across your business. With the x2x RMH-BC integration solution, you'll experience real-time synchronization between your retail and ERP systems. Efficient inventory management ensures accurate stock levels across locations. Streamlined sales processing for better customer service. And insights that empower smarter decision-making. Our integration solution is easy to implement, scalable, and supported by a team of experts who understand your unique needs. Whether you're a growing retailer or an established enterprise, x2x RMH-BC integration is your partner for success. Ready to transform your business operations? Discover how x2x RMH-BC integration can unlock your full potential. Visit our website today to learn more or schedule a demo. Your journey to smarter, faster, and more connected business begins here. x2x Solutions, connecting businesses, empowering growth.